All right, Georgia Sports Cards here. We're doing PYT number 6. This is the first briefcase from a fresh case here, guys. Good luck. Good luck, good luck. Appreciate the fill. And that is PYT number 7, and that'll be the second briefcase from this case. PYT number 7. All right, guys. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Come on, big hits. One time. All right, first up, our first hits. We got Christian Benteke for Belgium. 5 of 10. 5 of 10 for Belgium. That is Rob. First hit out. There you go, Rob. Next up, we got 12 of 20 for Bayern. Arjen Robben and Xabi Alonso. 3 color on the right, 2 color on the left. 12 of 20 for Bayern. Bayern was... Oops, wrong button. Streak 27 on Bayern. Streak 27. 12 of 20. Next up, we got Ramirez for Brazil. 8 of 15. Ramirez. Brazil, that is B-Ball boy. 8 of 15. I'll need some goods so I get that out to you. 8 of 15 Ramirez. Next up, we got, for the Netherlands, Wesley Sneijder. 23 of 25 Netherlands. That is Rob. Rob getting a couple hits. 23 of 25. Next up, we got 12 of 25 for Barca. Michael Laudrup. That's pretty nice. 12 of 25 for Barca. That is JT. JT has Barca. 12 of 25. Next, we got 9 of 10 for Barca. Dani Alves. 9 of 10 for Barca. JT. Back-to-back cards for Barca there. Nice one coming up here. Italy. Perlo, 10 of 25 for Italy. 10 of 25 for Italy. That is Rob. Nice hit there, man. Perlo. 10 of 25. I think it was 3 hits for Rob already. All right, gem cards, and then we'll do the main hit there. First up, we got Miroslav Klose. 7 of 10 for Germany. Pretty nice. Germany is Cord. Philly Man Cave. 7 of 10. Next up, we got nice one. 6 of 15 PSG Ibra. 6 of 15 PSG Ibrahimovic. Who's got PSG in this one? PSG is Cyrus. Wow, rigged. PSG. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, Man U now. And last hit. Nice one. How about 4 or 5 for Italy? There you go, Rob. Roberto Baggio. Roberto Baggio, 4 of 5. That is a nice one. Yeah, it doesn't work. So hurry up with the emoticon. Congrats, everybody hit. Quite a few teams got some multiple hits, so didn't get spread out as much as usual. Congrats to that hit there. You got Italy, did well. Barca did well. Congrats, guys.